Welcome back to another video. 2LT Trail Boss, one of the hottest trucks on the market, and you can tell when you go to the dealerships and you try to buy one and nobody has them. In my opinion, one of the best well-appointed pickup trucks. This particular one is not the custom. It does have the center console, it does have the leather interior. It is also far too tall for me to get in, which is how you know it's probably pretty manly. This one also comes with a tent. For those times when the wife kicks you out because you came home with a new truck, you've still got somewhere to sleep. It is in the driveway and you do get to spend time with your precious. So that is a huge advantage to this particular vehicle. And as you can tell, there's no way I would get up here without a few steps. So maybe on the GMC with the multi-pro tailgate, it would be a little bit more advantageous. But at any rate, still a beautiful truck, and I will probably end up owning one in the near future.